I feel like this is my last ride on my Bianchi Advantage 2. My derailleur is not working. It's stuck in the lowest gear and I'm really leaning down. I gotten used to my, you got it, my Cannondale Adventure 2. Well, I'm on the DJI Osmo Action 6 along with the DJI Mic 2. Let's get to where we need to be at. Rusty, frozen derailleur, nothing I can do about it. I forgot my helmet, so I'm going back. What I'm gonna do is put this bad boy to retirement. My plans were to bike ride down to the marsh and then walk and bike ride back. But instead, I'm going to do another walk and get on down to Harbor Freight. Check out what they got and share what they got. I counted 5 when I hit the mode on to see how quickly the mic will connect. I know it's an instant on with the shutter button, but it would take about 5 seconds for the mic to connect. And it's got me thinking, and I'm gonna sit down if I'm gonna get the standalone or the bundle package. It's like a $50 difference. Maybe I could see if I could get one of these accessories and see if it's a little cheaper that way. But I'm gonna make my decision tonight. I got one of those and they will come back. Yes, indeed. And they are hibernating. Is that a pear cactus or something different from the pear cactus? Because the pear cactus, all different types of shapes, those were round. I want to talk about a little bit of the Action 6. And don't get me wrong, I got the camera. I like it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. There are things that just tell me it's an Action 5 Pro in an updated version. You could say I'm walking in town, getting to where I need to be at, and let's turn the camera around real slow so you get to see some of the stores. Chicken and vegetable soup. Out of business? Oh man, I was an appliance store with scooters and everything else. We're almost there, getting where we need to be at. I gotta go around back because they closed the front off. That's the way we do business, through the back door. All right, as we head on in, we'll get to the storefront. First time I'm in this store. and the other Harbor Freight. The little, novelty sections of the RC boats and planes, it wasn't all there. It felt like there was some stuff missing. It was interesting to see what they got if I needed something. And the aisles were just a little tight. Different Harbor Freight, that is. How well will it do in the area? Depending on what you need. I like the jack that they had, small to lift up, and a couple of things I could get, but nothing I really wanted. Check out the menu. $10 for a small sandwich, $6.50 for onion rings. They come out to like $50 for two. Anything pleasing for you? Roast beef, gravy that you dip in, French dip. Oh yeah. Need some dream green? How about a strike at Starbucks? One of the last local diners, Perry's. Come for dinner, lunch, breakfast. Always busy. All the footage I shot basically could be ruined because somehow double tap on the back of the camera or the icon 2x zoom. I'm not sure how 2x got on. I was going to change to ultra wide, and I notice I'm on orange 2x. Thank you, DJI. I'm not going to go do this footage all over. I probably looked all cropped and ruined. Lossless 2x. Well, I didn't do it on purpose. I guess you get to see what the camera looks like at 2x, and now you get to see what it looks like with rock steady and ultra wide. Well, I got a daytime shot as gray as can be, and I don't think I love using the tones because once you use them, that's the end of your video. And I just don't understand what they named them. Well, I'm Fish. Time for me to get on out of here and go have some fun editing. I'm holding the camera after I cleaned it, and I'm just going to rotate around and see if we see that spot, like right here. If it comes from the sun that way, and the sun will be over there. Same shot, just maybe an hour later.